Have you ever imagined that your medicine, lunch, or even your birthday present would come to you from the sky? In this age of speed, every second counts. With the rise of delivery drones, we're approaching a time when no one will need a car or a courier. Technology is transforming not only the way we live, but even the way we wait. Humanity has moved from paper letters to email to express delivery within 24 hours. Today, some people get their order in less than 10 minutes, but the difference? No truck, no bike, just a small drone. A technological leap that shortens time and distance, and threatens all traditional delivery systems. In 2016, Amazon pulled off a surprise, the first real drone delivery experiment. Some laughed, others scoffed, but behind the scenes something huge was being built, and now, hundreds of companies are racing to take over the delivery sky instead of the busy streets. It's not just pizza or drinks. Drones are now delivering critical medications, medical supplies for hospitals, cosmetics, electronic gadgets, and even car parts. All delivered to your door, without anyone having to speak to anyone. Today we are witnessing a true technological race between giants such as Amazon Prime, Air Google Wing, UPS Flight Forward, and Zipline. Each one is trying to become, well, the Uber of the sky. And, the surprise, some small startups are actually beginning to excel with their intelligence and speed. Ordinary delivery companies like FedEx, DHL, and even Uber Eats are beginning to feel the real threat. Times are changing, and competition is no longer just on the ground, but in the sky. Those who don't adapt to new technology will, honestly, become extinct. In states like Texas, Virginia, and California, people are watching drones fly overhead, then deliver orders on a thin thread to their doorstep. Some companies now have more than 1,000 air deliveries per day. This isn't the future. This is happening now. Did you know that some drones deliver orders in just 5 minutes? The restaurant prepares the order, the drone takes off immediately, and flies directly to your location. No traffic lights, no delays, no driver delayed by traffic. Everything is carefully thought out and precisely guided by satellite. These drones aren't dumb, but rather equipped with powerful artificial intelligence. They recognize obstacles, they avoid trees and wires, they land in the right place, and they analyze the weather in real time. They are flying robots powered by amazing algorithms. But there's a huge problem. Is every company allowed to fly over people's homes? Airlines and governments are trying to regulate this chaos, because allowing drones to fly freely could open a whole new door to problems, from accidents to spying. What if these drones started taking pictures? Would you feel safe if there were dozens of drones above your house every day? Are we entering a new era where there's no room for real privacy? So far, delivery by plane is more expensive than by bicycle, but companies say once we deploy the technology widely, it will be much cheaper than cars. That means, one day, you could order a $5 meal and have it delivered in 2 minutes from the air, without the delivery cost. Cars and trucks consume fuel and increase pollution, but drones, it uses small batteries and significantly reduces emissions. That means faster delivery, a cleaner planet, and smarter skies. Imagine landing platforms on rooftops and air delivery centers in every neighborhood. There will be smart boxes that receive your order even if you're not home. You'll just order something from an app and, 3 minutes later, you'll look up at the sky and see it landing. They won't disappear completely, but, their form will change completely. We'll go from a driver on a bike to an aircraft fleet controller working from his office. Technology won't kill delivery. It will, honestly, completely reinvent it. In Rwanda and Ghana, drones are being used to deliver blood and medicine to remote areas. In just minutes, help reaches patients instead of waiting hours or even days. Drones are no longer just a luxury, but a lifeline. A plane crash, a failed battery, hacking, these are all real risks. But every company is building smart protection systems, such as automatic return, emergency stop, and end-to-end encryption of communications. Safety has become a top priority. Imagine everything in your daily life comes from above: your food, your medicine, even Amazon purchases. It's a huge transformational moment, one that can't be undone. The question now is, are we really ready? Is the time of ordinary delivery companies over, or will the coming era bring the earth and sky together? Write your opinion in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button if you want to know everything coming from the future.